Hello guys, welcome back to another video of becoming a code expert. In this video, we'll be seeing about multi-printing program in GeeksForGeeks, and the question is as follows. Given two inputs that are stored in variables a and n. So a will be the string and n is the number of times we have to print the string. So you need to print a n times in a single line without space between them. Output must have a new line at the end. So now let's see the solution. So to print the string a n times, we just have to print a multiplied by n. So if we multiply a n times, it will be a into 5. So it got printed 5 times. And coming to this statement, that is output must have a new line at the end. Whenever we print a statement here, it will automatically move to the next line. So it is not required to write a separate code for that. Now let's compile and run. This test case got passed, and now let's submit the code, and all the test cases got cleared here. I hope this video was helpful to you. Hit a like and comment if you have any doubts, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.